Hello, Mrs. Fouts here. Today I'm going to show you how to access materials for science research. You should have the West Media Center page bookmarked at the top of your browser. From this page, you will click Research. Then you will select Access Databases. From there, you will click the button that says Science Reference Source. It will take a moment to authorize your location. If you have any trouble with the authorization, please come see me in the Media Center. Then at the top, you can type what you are looking for. Your search should give you many results, including articles, ebooks, reference materials, and possibly videos. It also includes a topic overview at the top. If you need any help with this research, please come see me in the Media Center. I am happy to help you discover more about your science topics.